to share a little tip with you. Those of you that have got the old Stampin' Up paper trimmer, which you can't get the blades for anymore, and they've brought out their new one. I watched a video today of the new Stampin' Up trimmer, and it looks really good. But I know not everyone can afford to go out and keep buying new trimmers every time something gets discontinued. And I'll be honest, I'm a little bit reluctant to go and buy the new one, just in case there is faults with it in the future and I end up with another trimmer that I can't get the blades for. Well, anyway, obviously you can use your trimmer. I've just got this set up because I wanted to try something after watching that. Because the lady actually showed like what the so let me see if I can get this out of here. Oh, probably not. Let me see. Right, no, this one is, hang on, right, this one is the trimmer, and this one is really tiny. It's got like a little bowl at the end of it, but this one here is the actual cutter, and you can barely see the actual cutty thing, right? So I thought, I wonder what it'd be like just using the nib just slightly on my little cutter thing that I have, and I've tested it a few times because I've cut these out and it works okay. I mean, to be honest, if it eventually messes this up, it's not a big loss because you can't get the blades for it anyway, and if it serves a purpose for a short space of time, then, you know, go for it. So don't have it way out like that, have it in like that, and if you've got an X-Acto knife, then use that. So I think I had that about there, just gonna see, and just down there, and when you check in the little groove, right, it's not touching that. So that's a little tip. I mean, if you don't want to chance it and wreck it, because you could be sitting there with a bundle of these that are going to last you ages and ages because you've stocked up on them well in advance. But if not, you can still use it. You don't have to worry about not getting the blades for it anymore, because you can't, and then you don't have to go out and spend 30-40 quid, 30-40 pounds I should say, or whatever it is in dollars, on the new one. So I was quite happy with that, because this has been sitting redundant for about 4 or 5 months now, from when I couldn't get hold of the blades because they were on, initially they were on back order, and that's what they were telling you, that they were just out of stock and they would be getting them in soon. So yeah, if you have one of these, and, or, you know, I hope you haven't thrown it away, because obviously you can still use it with one of these. So that was my little tip for today. It may be of use to you and it may not be, so I just thought I'd share that with you just in case you needed to know. So thanks for watching. Bye.